Now, right now, as you have also tasted some successes or some big milestones, can you share a bit about that? How has that impacted your own journey and your own growth as a leader?
For better or for worse, we've continued to have big highs and then big lows, like back to back. And so for me, it's been a lot of just learning to try to just stay very even no matter what's happening. Like if things are going awesome and we're closing big deals and raising big funding rounds and people want to write articles about us and things like that, it's like not getting too high and too overconfident and vice versa. Like in late 2019, we had to do a big layoff, which was the first time I'd ever done that as an entrepreneur. And that was after raising 20 million more dollars than where we were in the story I was telling you before. And so obviously after we had raised all that money, we were thinking, wow, we're going to finally just crush it. We were like, hey, we've been
Hmm.
through the hard stuff. We got through that. Like now we raised 20 million. Like now it's just going to be huge and the business is going to be easy. And of course, that wasn't what happened. We made some critical mistakes in our go to market strategy and I had to lay off a third of the company at the end of 2019. And so, same thing I was just saying, like in those low moments, it's also not getting too low and not getting too down on yourself. And of course, admitting the mistakes and admitting where we went wrong and what we learned from it and what we're going to do better. But so I think, and I know this is what you do interviews and you talk to entrepreneurs all the time. So I'm not telling you anything that you don't know, but I think just knowing that this journey you're signing up for is going to be tons of highs and tons of lows. You can keep that even mindset and a bigger perspective on like this is normal. And any great CEO I look up to or founder I've read their books on or listened to their podcasts, like most of them have all had a very similar story. So you just realize that's the journey and it just helps get through those lower times.
Yeah, yeah. And I think thank you for being honest with that, right? That continues, that doesn't end. I think that's life also, in a way. The ups and downs continues.